What is going on? What is going on, everyone? Oh, what a day it was yesterday. One thing I didn't notice is that there are going to be the bond numbers and stuff like that, and it crashed the market completely. Anyway, I'm late. Not that I wanted to take any major trades this morning. But, you know, let's go over some charts and do some daily, you know, let's remap the day. If I see something great, I might just gonna go for it. There is a nice level already, I see that. So let's go with NQ for now. This is just for higher time frame analysis. So let's place this here. Okay. What the hell? It's working, right? Okay. Yesterday's low. Yesterday's high. And midnight open. Oh. I hear that the neighbor is doing the lawn mowing. Anyway, let's see what's going on NQ. What just happened? Okay, something happened. I'm gonna check that later on. Oh yeah, the trade just went into profit. So this level, the 272 level, is the next best target that we can go for, which has already been taken. Almost, actually, almost, not completely. So let's go out for the 15-minute chart. And what the hell is going on? I don't know. Oh yeah, because this is the 60-minute chart. All right. So let's go to the 60-minute NQ for now. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing here. So this is the 60-minute NQ. No, this is not it yet. I'm just going to change it to 60-minute right now. So this is 60-minute NQ. As you can see, here is our level. And let me change this right here. Midnight, yesterday low, yesterday high. This is the midnight level actually. Right here. Almost at 73 is gonna take it out most likely. And now this is the area that we're looking for. Okay, so we're approaching this imbalance right now on the 60-minute NQ, and what goes from here, I have no idea. I'm expecting kind of a reversal, but we have to go back to trading view to show you what I mean. So what I think is a possible scenario that we're going to tap into that liquidity above 280-ish levels, and I'm still looking for some, well, some bearishness. It depends. We're basically at no man's land, but let's just outline the two possible scenarios that can happen today. By the way, we have some news on the afternoon. Consumer sentiment, not really that important. NRT Trades, good morning, good morning. How are you? Okay, so let's just outline a few things here. So we did not take out yesterday's low at this moment yet. Yesterday's trade didn't work out. I assume you knew that. The 468 level was almost reached. It went up. Of course, before that it took me out. That it went down, took me out. It almost went up and then boom down. But I totally forgot that there were some numbers, bond auction numbers yesterday, so it messed me up. Nevertheless, I called the level. No problem there. Let's see. This level right here is interesting to me, but the next main level on the daily, waiting to see DEX. Oh, let's check DEX just a second here. Let me put this here. I'm gonna go check DEX as well. You know what, actually, let's go check DEX. What the hell is going on here? All right. So this is DEX. I didn't rearrange my chart. Actually, this is just a CFD chart. It's not the actual DEX index, but this is the closest I can get here through MetaTrader. Yesterday's low, midnight open, somewhere here. This is New York. These vertical lines are New York midnight, because on broker time it's at 7 a.m. but this is New York. This is New York midnight. So this is New York open. Let me change the properties. I'm gonna go with this. So this is New York midnight open. This is yesterday's low. This is yesterday's high. This is the 1 hour chart. I don't know what the hell is this. So that's what we're looking for right now. The daily imbalance perfectly rejected price yesterday. This is the daily chart. This is the daily chart from DEX index. Perfectly rejected this level to the downside, and this imbalance worked out real nicely. As you can see, this is the 4-hour, went up, boom, all the way down. Nice rejection there, leaving us with another imbalance, which is interesting. So let's mark it up. Oh my god, it's gonna be terrible like this, right? Yeah, it's terrible. I don't like this. Have to do something about that. Let's try this. Yeah, for now this is MetaTrader, so what can we do? It's not precise, but we're almost approaching to an imbalance, which is great. Let me just jump down to the 5-minute and go down to the 1-minute chart. What I think actually we're gonna go into this. I might just do a quick scalp here. Yeah, just a quick scalp trade here. This is nothing extra. Actually, I'm gonna use a wider stop. This is just a quick scalp. Let me rearrange some stuff here. So German index, quick scalp. My target is to tap into this 1-hour imbalance. Nothing extra. Small trade. This is the 51,000. This account has $51,514. So this is a real small trade. I'm risking a little bit around $200. So less than 0.5%. If yeah, this is what I fear of. We have this liquidity void here. Unfortunately, we can go down into that real easy. I thought we are gonna just spike up, go to the 1-hour, and then boom, go down. I really wanted to see that. That's the only thing I see on DEX right now. And if you can hear that, my neighbor is cutting the grass, lawn mowing. I really love that because he's doing it like twice a week. All right, let's go back to NQ. Yeah, sorry, not this one, not this one. Okay, this is NQ on NinjaTrader. It's terrible, the noise. Come on, man. Why does he have to do it every morning when I stream? I think he listens to me, and when he hears me like I'm trying to talk on stream, he just starts to cut the grass. Anyway, 60-minute. Let's go down to the 15. The 15-minute NQ is basically there's nothing. Look at this. The 15-minute Nasdaq is a total mess. You're waiting. You're waiting for a second pullback, 1-minute chart, so I can enter. Yeah, good idea. I think you're doing it right. You're doing it right for the DEX. Yesterday, I managed to recoup some losses after the stream. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I made a nice trade here on the DEX, and it reached take profit. So actually, yesterday I ended up with a fair profit. But so far, this scalp trade. So as I said, this is only a scalp. This is going to the right way, or not. That's how fast things are changing when you're trading with indexes or CFDs, or I don't even know. If you ask me why they're calling this CFD, I don't know the straight answer to you, but we're gonna Google it together, all right? And we're gonna learn, share some knowledge, you know, with each other. Okay, so the 15-minute Nasdaq, which is this one, is a complete mess. Nothing to be seen here. Thank you, NRT. Thank you. The 5-minute Nasdaq. Also, look at this 5-minute Nasdaq. If you tell me you can see anything that is tradable here, I mean, I don't know. There's nothing here. Nothing. Literally nothing. The only thing I could do, if I drop down maybe to the 1 minute, not even on the 1 minute, maybe I have to go down to the 30-second for a quick scalp. Nothing. Because we didn't tap into the 73 area. So I would love to see, I would like to see this one to go a little bit further up. It's not too far, only 5 points. And tap into the 1 hour imbalance. It's gonna happen. Question is if it's gonna pull down a little bit more and then go up again. I don't know that. I'm not entering a trade on Nasdaq right now. By the way, just showing you guys, I YOLO'd a trade this morning. I YOLO'd a trade on a combine account before the stream. I have multiple combines, so I don't mind. And I managed to make the daily profit, which is 4,735. That's a gross profit, but I'm gonna narrow it down to below 4,500 just to make sure that I'm gonna be all right at Top Step. So this account is at 156,254, but I YOLO'd it today, so you only live once. I went all in because I don't have time to I don't want to waste time with combine accounts. And we're down on the German DAX. I mean, if you want to enter on the 1 minute, this is a 1 minute DAX. Look at this. This is a beautiful liquidity void. I'm afraid that it can spike down here. Otherwise, all this area down here is good for entry. So you could have entered here on this spike on the 1 minute if you want to scalp it. It's dangerous because we have this liquidity void, and it can be seen on the 5 minute too. So I don't like that, and my stop loss is right there. So if it goes down, let me go to the 15 minute. If it goes down, it is what it is. You have to accept it, I guess. Okay, so the Nasdaq is trying to get back up again. This is the 30-second chart. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. As you can see, the 5-minute is basically, it's shit. I'm sorry to say this. Excuse my French. The 15-minute is also shit. The 1 minute, I don't even want to talk about the 1 minute. Nothing is going on with the Nasdaq, so let's just leave the Nasdaq. I think this London session is not going to be about the Nasdaq. Even if something's going to happen, I would like to see some strong movement to the upside to take out this high, or a strong movement with displacement to the downside and displacement to the upside. But right now here in this area, the Nasdaq is just dead. It's dead market this morning. There. On the left side, there is a 100 tick chart. Before someone would ask what the hell is going on, there is a this is a 100 tick chart. I'm gonna change it to I'm gonna change it to 500 maybe, just to see the overall price action. So this area is also good for a long if someone wants to scalp right here, where price is at right now. The 5 minute is a mess, but on the 500 tick chart, we do have a support level, which is, as ICT says, there is no such thing as support, which is right now is just breaking. But you lost the trade? Which trade? Oh, you entered. I'm gonna lose it as well. I'm gonna lose this trade too. Oh. That's the problem, you know. This liquidity void disturbs me. I'm not saying it. I mean, the logical step for DAX would be to go back up. test the imbalance again. I'm not saying it will, but that's what I thought it should do. This is a 1 minute DAX chart. I'm not gonna go short, but let's just see what's going on. There is some imbalance down there. Unfortunately, it seems like it might want to go down and retest it. We are in a daily premium, I know that, but we were so close to this area on the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna be out from this trade. I'm gonna be stopped out too, so we share the pain together. I'm just one spike away from getting stopped out. And so if it goes down, we might going to have to go and start to add, I don't know. We need a structure break. This is not a structure break on the 5 minute. This could be considered a structure break. So if it wants to go down, it will go down right now, real fast. This is the 1 minute. So yeah, it touched it. This should go down like boom if it wants to go down. If not, I suggest you should wait just to see what's going on in this small fair value gap. I might gonna get stopped out as well. Look at that. This small fair value gap, it might be giving some liquidity to push it down further. And now it tapped into it. And now comes the moment of truth. Is it going to drop like a rock from here? Or is it going to deny this fair value gap and shoot back up? I would not take a trade right now. If I would have been stopped out like you, I would not be entering a trade right now. But it's your choice, your decision. I'm already in a trade, still in, so that's why I'm in. But the thing is, it perfectly repriced this liquidity void right there. So I like that. I like the fact that it repriced this void, this wick, and now maybe it will try to reach for that 1 hour imbalance up there. So my risk reward is totally off on this trade. My entry model is, well, almost correct, but I missed my entry. My entry should have been down here somewhere. And then my stop loss would have been a little bit further down, like here. But still, we are inside this 1 minute fair value gap. I would be extremely careful right here. As you can see, it can just boom, drop down. If we look at the overall trend, it would be logical for DAX to go up and tap into that liquidity area. It would be logical. So overall, that would be my bias, especially because this is the 1 hour, and look at that. It's strange. It is. Very strange movements. Yeah, definitely. Do we have some news? Let me check if we have some news, right? 9:30, no news. UK GDP, blah blah blah. We have slow and UK GDP, but nothing extra. German Chancellor, it will be a great political task, blah 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 blah. Reach the NATO 2% target. Nothing major from Germany. Some UK news here after 8 o'clock, but that has already gone. Some news from Japan. So, oh, look at that. I'm gonna get finally stopped out. This is the 1 minute again. But that's what I was saying. This crazy fair value gap down there. I think it wants to go down. Maybe tap into some more liquidity. After this one, I'm done. You're done. Well, you know, it's a skill. It's a very good skill because it's the hardest skill to adopt not to trade. You know, if you suffer a significant amount of loss according to your rules, and then having the strength and the discipline not to push the button, I think that's the most admirable thing a trader can have. I mean, there's many other skills a trader can have, in my opinion, but not pushing the button. Even if you see some stuff on the chart, like, oh, this could be this could be that, not pushing the button is the biggest and hardest skill you can have. But yeah, if you have that rule, you should stop too. I mean, I do have that rule too, but I decided not to trade futures. I mean, no, that's not true like that. I decided not to trade Nasdaq or ES during the London session because the volume is just so slow. Exception if there is some good economical or political news, then maybe if we have some volume with some significance, I don't know. But otherwise, I'm not trading NQ on the morning. That's why I choose to look into DAX, to look into the German index, because at least in Europe we should be having some volume in the German index. Otherwise, nothing. Let's check gold. We didn't check gold until we wait, right? Until we're waiting, let's check gold. This is a 1 hour gold chart. Took back my loss. Break even for today. I'm done for today. Oh yeah, well, this is a crazy market, and you know what? Congrats, and you deserve an applause, man. Going back to break even is actually a win. So you win this one. You're actually in a good win. You won this one. This is a crazy day. I don't know, the whole week is just, you know, Powell and numbers and everything. Minus 1.57 is absolutely great. That's absolutely manageable. That's absolutely manageable. It's perfectly fine, dude. That's absolutely fine. Even minus 5% overall is manageable. Even minus 5 is great. So I'm gonna stick out with this one. Either stop loss or take profit. All or nothing. I'm gonna stick with this one. I'm in profit $12. Yeah, you should be. I mean, 12. Hey, dude, $12 is $12. And you know what? Years before this, I didn't really respected money this much until I was losing big time. And you know, $12 is you can have a lunch from $12, a nice lunch. I mean, not at the Plaza Hotel, but or at the Ritz-Carlton, but for me, $12 is a very good lunch. So yeah, it's cool. Let's check Nasdaq again. Oh my God, Nasdaq is a complete hot mess. But look at this. On the left side is the 500, the 500 tick chart, and it did respect this level, which means it should be tapping into the 73 area. And if it goes there, that should help the DAX trade, right? I'm still in. So let's hope. What am I looking right now? I don't even. Oh yeah, I wanted to check gold. Gold. Oh, this is the midnight. This is yesterday's high. Oh, we do have yesterday's high. Okay. So yesterday high and yesterday low. There you go. Gold. 1 hour gold. This is tapped into this nice imbalance. I'm overall bullish on gold. Let's check what's happening on the 5 minute. I think 5 minute didn't really miss this, but when was the market open? Market open was here. Yeah. Oh, we just hit the take profit. Yeah. There you go. A nice take profit. So gold might be going up here. We are in discount. We tapped into the 15-minute / 1 hour imbalance, buy side imbalance, sell side efficiency. Look at almost relative equal highs here. I'm definitely looking bullish, and to take out these highs, let me check. Maybe with a 1 to 2 risk reward with a small trade, I might jump into it. That's 12. That's 6. The risk reward is off. I would love to jump into it, but risk reward is off. But I would really love gold to take out that high. For now, this is the 15-minute. We are inside the 15-minute sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency here. So this one can continue to go down to reprice the whole range. I have to keep that in mind. If I look at the daily, yeah. Lots of stuff to be taken out here. Damn it. Oh my god, look at that. The low of this one was 49.25. Yeah. Tapped into this liquidity. Who knows what's gonna happen? It's looking dangerous. Made a structure break. We might have to go short here, guys. Yeah. Took a short break. I think it wants to reprice this whole range here. Wow. Wowie. The only problem is that... let's zoom it out. I'm not trading Nasdaq because it's a mess. You can check it out for yourself. Check the 5-minute / 15-minute chart on Nasdaq. It's a disaster. So instead, I'm checking what's happening on gold here. So this is a 5-minute liquidity zone. Oh my god, look at that. It's melting. It's melting. It's melting. I think I missed it. I mean, there was no entry. This is a 1-minute gold chart. Again, if someone would be curious. Of course, DEX, but I'm happy, yeah, about the table. Absolutely. Hey man, you managed to dig out yourself from the hole, and that's, you know, that is actually a skill. I'm just saying, that is actually a great skill. Don't care about that DEX went up to the original target. The thing is that you dig yourself out. You did the good job by digging yourself out from that hole, and that was, I think, a great job there that you did there. So okay. Oh shit. I have too much of a position. I have to close down portion of it. Still too much. I'm gonna close down this. Okay. What the hell? Why is this so much? Okay. Okay, $200 risk. That's fine. You should be proud of yourself. You know, you should be proud of yourself. I'm short on gold, by the way, just saying. Risk reward is not the best, but it's over 1-to-1. I'm gonna be going for 2-to-1 here. There, almost. There you go. 2-to-1 risk reward on gold. My scenario for gold, I wanted to reprice this 1 hour imbalance, and overall down there is much liquidity, while if I'm looking and it's Friday, and if I'm looking for the daily, this is the daily gold chart, I don't think we're gonna have a push today to go up. The only reasonable and logical move would be to go down and take out some liquidity here in this area right there. So that would be the thing I would be aiming for today. Overall, on the big picture, I'm extremely bullish on gold, but for today I would be looking it to go down and, you know, sweep some more liquidity from down here. That's what I would be looking for, to sweep some liquidity. What's the spread? I don't know. Look at here. I don't know. I have no idea. I can put on the this show ask line. 91.5, 92. I think it's reasonable. Despite the fact that, you know, it's a CFD, not the original DEX chart. I think it's all right. I think it's fine. 89, 92, like 0.5 or whatever. I don't know. You see? So gold is I mean, that's my plan for gold. That's what I'm anticipating. If it's not turning out to be this case, then click on the symbol, click on any symbol on the left and then check the spread. Okay, I can do that for you. Where is that? The A40. Where the hell is that? There it is. Spread. The spread is shown. There you go. That's the A40 for me. 50 or whatever. But you can see it right here as well. Right click anywhere. Right click anywhere. Yeah. Properties. No. I'm not I'm a dinosaur. I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm not the tech guy. Indicator object. Yeah. Mine is 70. I think it's changing, you know. So doesn't really matter in the big picture. I mean 70, I think it's still alright, so doesn't really matter that much. The good thing is that the good thing is that there's no commission. I mean, this is gold right now, but on DEX, as you can see here, no, because that was my partials. There's no commission on DEX, as you can see, which is good. Okay, what the hell is going on with gold? It's not doing what it should. And DEX is melting. What the hell is going on? Did it tap into that area? I think it did. I don't know. I'm not trusting the CFD prices, so whatever. It's manipulated by the broker. So if you're trading on MetaTrader broker, the way like I do, I accept this. You have to accept the fact that they are heavily manipulating the spread and the price as well. So yeah, I saw some brokers which are having that kind of thing. So this is my plan for gold. Let's check Nasdaq just for a quick second. Oh my god, look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq just don't have the push to do it. On the right side is a 5-minute Nasdaq. On the left side is a 500 tick chart on Nasdaq. This is from this is on a NinjaTrader. This is a Top Step Combine account. And look at that. It's breaking down. Now the thing is, if I go to the 15-minute, on the right side there is a 15-minute. I wouldn't go short in any kind of way here on Nasdaq. There was no liquidity taken here, nothing. By the way, guys, if you're someone's new here, if you can please support me by clicking the like button, that would really be appreciated. Thank you so much. I'm a small streamer, you know, trying to build this whole thing up. Please push the like button or subscribe to the channel, you know. That's it. Thank you so much. I don't know, but I love the broker. I have... Yeah, that's good. No problem with that. I'm not saying you don't have to... Yeah. Hungarian. I'm Hungarian, man. I'm a Hungarian dude. Did you know that? I live in Hungary. Phenotype funding. Wow. Dude, I have to search for that. What the hell, dude? You're trading with a Hungarian brokerage? Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow. Wow. I can look into the company data if you want to. Let's check the company. Let's check the company. I can tell you what's going on with this funding company. This has been established in 2021. Last year, in 2022, as you can see, it's written in Hungarian. They made well, a little bit less than $3 million. It's in Hungarian forint. So it's good because it's a new prop firm. So I'm guessing that this number this year should be quadrupled or whatever. It should be much better. The place where it is registered is here. So this is the place where it should be established. I know Budapest very well, but okay. Anyway, it's cool. It's cool. I'm glad. So as it's fine. It's fine. It's superb. I love that. I love that. Oh, finally, gold maybe pushing down. And of course, I'm going to help you out, man. Very good. Hey, man, if you have a major issue with them, let me know, and I'm gonna make a phone call to them, or I'm just gonna burst into their office and I'm gonna nag the director like, what the hell, man? That's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, I never heard of this company before. I never. 7.5%, phase 2 is 5, 95% split. Wow. One step rule. They have a one step for 10%, unlimited duration. Wow, daily drawdown. That's very good. The one step is very good. They have a trial as well. Wow. Okay, how much is the pricing? They have an instant funding model, which is interesting. Instant funding. I'm interested in instant funding as well, you know, because $25,000 account could be interesting. One-step challenge account, 50k, 360. Well, the prices are okay. Classic challenge. Yeah, the prices are alright. Alright. Do they have a phone number? Of course not. Okay, the price is alright. I hope you'll succeed with them. By the way, yesterday I took a payout from TopStep. Yay! $885. Not too much, I know, but at least it's money. What is going on with DEX? It went down. Look at this. It's just doing nothing. I'm gonna give it like 20 more minutes or something, I don't know, and then London session is a wrap for me. Oh yeah, I was really happy about that. I'm not sure if I can see that in my whatever. I can show you, I think. I'm not sure. Let me see. No. No. It's not sure. I don't know where to. Just a second. Yesterday I had it shown. Anyway, it's not updating the TopStep website is not updating properly. S&P 500, what's going on there? We can check it. ASAD, by the way, welcome to the stream. Drop a like and we will check S&P. Anyway. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay, this is ES. I'm gonna zoom this one out here. This is the 15-minute ES chart. Is dropping just as NQ. But so far, this is the 15-minute again. And I'm going to repeat myself a couple of more times. This is the 15-minute ES. There is nothing here. Nothing. Nothing on the ES. Actually, let me put this here. This is the midnight open. This is the midnight open price. The dashed dot line. This is yesterday's high. And this is yesterday's low. So the ES 15-minute chart. Let's check 5-minute. Nothing on the 5-minute. I mean, guys, if you see anything on the 5-minute, let me know, because it's a big pile of mess. The same as NQ. Nothing is going on the S&P. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. No imbalances. No real targets. The next optimal target would be down here, but I wouldn't go short. So that would be an optimal target on the 5-minute, which is 10 handles. You can go short if you want. I would not be taking this trade. I would maybe the only reason then I would take this trade. If there would be a strong down close candle, not just a wick, a strong down close candle below these lows. Sarvesh is here, my man. Yeah. Sarvesh, by the way, yesterday I took my payout from Topstep, and just letting you guys know, it arrived. I clicked the payout in the London session, and I got it to my USD account in the New York PM session the same day yesterday. So they were extremely fast, So from the moment I clicked on the payout button and the dashboard, I got my money like 6 hours later on my account, or 5 hours later. Wow. I say, wow. That was strong and fast. Anyway, this is SMP Sarvesh. I hope you're doing well. Drop the likes, guys, and subscribe, follow me on Twitter. Yeah. The show is going on, guys. And this is SMP. I would like to see a strong displacement below these lows. A strong, if I want to. Yeah, that was very fast. Transfer yesterday. If I want to go short on S&P, I want to see this. Let me show you. I'm gonna draw it to you. Blah 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 blah. I want to see a displacement, a retest, and then boom. And this is where I would go short somewhere here. Maybe if I have a fair value gap somewhere over there. But the problem is I don't have 5 handles, so that's scratch that idea. I'm not going to any trade on S&P unless I don't have 5 handles or points minimum. Topstep, yeah, Sarvesh, Topstep was so quick. You had 2 losses today and yesterday. Yeah, this week, my man, this week was this week was crazy. I'm gonna show you something, guys. This morning I YOLO'd it. You only live once. So let me show you. This morning I said, F it, I'm gonna YOLO it. So this is a trading combine. I started in November, and this morning I took all in. I have to narrow it down to net profit because I don't want to go over the daily profit, but I took this account up to 156, 254, and so maxed out my daily profit. At least this combine was okay, but this right now, which I am on right now, this is a different combine. So smashing the markets, every day. Let's check the gold trade. I'm in a gold trade, by the way. I'm shorting gold. Looking for this one to take 1 to 2, reprice this range. That's what I'm looking for. Maybe it's gonna go back out. I don't know. I don't know. So S&P, I'm not trading it. It's a mess. It's no chance I'm touching S&P. There's no chance. Let's go back to NQ. NQ is almost the same. On the left side there is a 500 tick chart for NQ. On the right side there's a 15-minute chart for NQ. There's the sorry, I put it to the wrong place. Should be the midnight. We're somewhere around the midnight open price. Let me check it on TradingView. Midnight open 46 to 46. Yeah, we are at the midnight opening price on NQ. Didn't go into the 60-minute imbalance right here. Didn't take it. We might just gonna drop down. I don't know, but I'm not going in. Maybe in the New York session. Maybe. Let's go to the 5-minute. 5-minute also nothing. Guys, NQ and ES are messed up this morning. I suppose I was lucky that I get out from the DEX trade up there. I was very lucky. So maybe gold will drop. And yeah. Maybe. I'm hoping for it. Take profit is at 400. I'm not taking partials on this. No partials on this one. So what else to look for? Nothing. We went over. I'm gonna go over again. NQ and ES is shit. DEX almost shit. It's like dog shit. But the ES and NQ is dog shit mixed up with cat shit, you know. So there's nothing. Gold, maybe, and that's it. Nothing to do. Nothing. There's nothing here to trade. I wouldn't go short here. No targets. Nothing on the 5-minute. Guys, this London session is so hopefully the New York session will give us something, hopefully. What is this? Oh yeah, let's update the German index chart here on TradingView as well. It's not accurate because it's a CFD, so highly manipulated prices everywhere. Not the same prices. There's no two same brokerages with the same price with CFDs. So it's just you know. How often do you think that successful traders have a losing week? So I think successful traders should, I mean, there are not just one kind of successful trader. I consider a successful trader, if someone is like, let's define successful trader. If someone is successful, you can be successful making 10% in a year. In 1 year, 10%. If you're making 10%, you're successful. If you're talking about a trader who makes a living from this, then you most likely have to be successful in every quarter. You might not be profitable in every month. That's my definition. So I think if we define a successful trader by someone who is actually pulling out money on a positive note on every quarter, if not every month, then I think that's a successful trader who lives solely from trading. And I'm not talking about every month, I'm just saying every quarter. So every 3 months on average you're pulling out the money, which is enough for you to make a living and more, then you're definitely successful as a trader who is doing this as a job. Now to your question, losing weeks, I think having at least one losing week, or not at least, but having one losing week in a month is every time in the cards. So 1 week out of 4 could be considered, if you lose 1 week out of 4 weeks in a month, I think that's acceptable if you know that the rest of the month, the rest of the 3 weeks is going to balance that week. You know, even if you lose a little bit more than you used to, if you can balance it out in the other 3 weeks, that's fine. So that's mine. The short answer is having one losing week in every month is acceptable, absolutely. And having one losing month in every quarter is acceptable. Having 2 or 3 losing months in a year is acceptable if you can balance it out. So that's it. So yes, if we go down to week, yes, I say 1 week per month losing is absolutely acceptable. Even if you lose 2 weeks in a month, if your risk reward ratio is good enough, then you should be having no problem balancing it out in the other 2 weeks. So if your risk reward and ratio and risk management is good enough, then you should be having no problem balancing out 2 losing weeks in another 2 winning weeks. So 1 losing week is nothing to be afraid of, especially if the losses are controlled. But I'm not a Lambo guru guy. Guys, please push the like button, subscribe to the channel, visit my blog, check out pip.ninja. That was a commercial. So I'm not a Lambo guy. I don't have all the Lambos. I just have one. No, I don't have one. I have a regular car. I'm paying rent, paying my bills. Sometimes I am behind some bills because I'm lazy. Trying to make a living solely this and on this and that, and that's it. So maybe you're not looking for this. Maybe you're looking for Lambo Raul. By the way, I know I'm not used to name gurus, but everyone knows Lambo Raul maybe. I think he has some great knowledge, very smart guy. I'm not following him too much, by the way. I just heard of him. And you know, why is he Lambo Raul? You know, Lambo. Just saying, because he was saying it out loud in an interview, that he was making other businesses before trading. He was making other kind of businesses before trading, and his Lambo, he was making $20,000 to $30,000 before trading on a business, and his Lambo was a lease. So he, from $30,000, he was paying 3 or 4 grand a month for the Lambo lease. Yes, it's not a. I mean, yeah, it's great. Congrats and kudos. That doesn't mean that he just started to trade Forex or the prop firm, and 2 weeks later he went in with all cash in hand and bought Lambo for 300k or 400k. That's not how it happens, guys. So just keep in mind, you know, most of the successful gurus that you think are gurus, whoever you want to name, did not make their first big money, I mean rarely, from just opening a Forex account and 2 months later they were millionaires. They were having side businesses, successful businesses beside trading. And the most successful traders who are influencers in the industry, they are making still other side businesses. That's it. So I love ICT. I think he's one of the greatest knowledge. Okay, I posted a photo with the explanation of my trades today, and I wrote another photo, another instead, another. I will leave it. Yeah, good idea. Yeah, it makes sense. You have to control your losses. You can enjoy it. Yes, exactly, Sarvesh. Exactly, Sarvesh. To be honest, Lamborghini had 100k FTMO payout, so he knows. But yes, of course. I'm not saying he's not. I think he's great. He's great. Yes, exactly. I'm not saying he doesn't know anything about trading. He must be a great trader. I'm just saying that, you know, other traders, other gurus are they made their big money other things than trading. So if I would be having a side business which generates me like 20 or 30k in dollars every month, I would be like So that would be, I mean, taking a prop challenge and trading on a prop firm, that would be FU money for me. Like, who cares? I would just be pushing, I mean, not pushing button all the way up and down, but that would pull out a huge emotional pressure from my prop firm trading. And I'm certain that I would be much, much more successful in my trading journey. So yeah, good for them. Good for them. They are very smart people, and I'm guessing good traders. But don't be clouded and mistaken that those guys made their Lambos solely, like they just opened a prop firm account and 2 months later they just bought a Lambo. That's not how it happens, guys. It's good for TikTok videos and good for Instagram and stuff like that. By the way, if I see someone who is flexing with these kind of stuff, I just click away. I don't even want to see it. I don't care about that. Anyway, enough about that. Let's focus on the gold trade. Almost a take profit. Do you know what I found out? When you learn from Raja Banks and then from ICT, you can see that it's the same thing. Yes, exactly. So I'm just saying that ICT is a great guy. I will always be thankful and grateful for how he was teaching his stuff, because I was learning Forex since a few years and trading in general, and the way he presented the concepts, actually he's teaching the same thing as others. So he's just repackaged it. He's renamed the gaps and everything. In USA, they can drive a Lambo fast because they can get 30. Yes, exactly. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. So, honestly, as I respect the lectures and the teachings of ICT, and I respect the man himself of how he does it. And honestly, if I could have the opportunity, I would shake his hand and I would say that thank you, Michael, because his lectures help me to get through with my obstacles. But there's a huge but. I personally do not think that he is as a good trader as he says he is. I'm sorry, because I see no proof. I know he has he's renting all the time and he wants to go to this Robbins Cup and stuff like that. He's not following through on these things. Honestly, he made his big money from selling his course, and that's it, which is fine, super great. I would have done the same too if I were him, I think. Yeah, but I'm not sure that he is as a great trader as he says he is. So that's what I think. And Roger Banks, I don't even want to tell, you know, owning my own MetaTrader 4.5, whatever, 4.5, he has MetaTrader 5, owning my own MetaTrader brokerage. Come on, man. I mean, if someone believed that Raja Banks is not playing on the back end of the terminal and putting in trades which are non-existent or were not there, then you're living in the Wonderland, you know. You're Alice living in Wonderland. If someone thinks that Raja Banks is not manipulating the trades on his own server, on his own MetaTrader backend, then you're living in dream world. Then you're truly living in a matrix. But he is very smart. I give him that. He's very smart, very smart. And yeah, absolutely. I'm saying there. Yes. Yes, of course, Rizvan. Hey there, Rizvan. Yes, I'm not bashing on him. Don't get me wrong. I know it seems like I am, but that's Raja's marketing model, and I understand him. I get why he is doing it. Just ask yourself the question: why does someone who has $9 million on his Forex account, right, asking $500 in Dubai from people to take courses, not just online but personally, and he's teaching 20 or 30 or 40 people about Forex basics. By the way, I have his course. Just saying, don't tell anyone. I have Raja Bank's course from a friend of mine who bought the course, and I watched it. All I can tell you is Raja Banks is teaching the stuff that it's on YouTube for free. So it's great, but he repackaged it just the same way like ICT does, and he's selling it. So why does someone with $9 million selling $500 courses? I don't know, because if I would be having $9 million in my trading account, I would not be sitting here with you guys. I'm sorry to tell you that. I'm sorry, guys. I love you, NRT. I love you, everyone. I love you, Sarvesh. I love you, Rizwan, and everyone who's here. But I would not be sitting here streaming my trades, trying to build a community, and not gonna lie to you guys. I want to build up a revenue income from my online presence, because I want to build up more income to make a living here in my country. But if I would be having $9 million in my trading account, I would not be living here. You know what I would be doing? I would be buying houses and apartments all over town, all over my country, and I would be buying real estate and renting out real estate, and definitely would not be sitting here trading. Yeah. So $9 million on my trading account, and I am wasting my, I'm sorry guys, not wasting, but why would I be sitting there and so why? There's, you know, it's just not adding up. Anyway, Raja may be manipulating, but Raja was trading live for a few years. Listen, NRT, I understand, and completely big respect. I was watching Raja for some time, and his live trades, I don't want to comment on it. I don't want to comment on it. His live trades, okay, so putting a sell stop and a buy stop before news, and laughing that he's losing $30,000 every day, and by the other day, by some miracle, he won 200K. No. That's a red flag for me. So anyway, still, I think he's a smart guy. He knows how trading is going. He's a good teacher as well, I think. Good business sense. And that's it. But I don't believe he has that kind of money in trading. That's my point. So he's only who can say, yeah. So he is the only one who can say I showed my knowledge. Yeah, maybe. And RT, I respect you and thank you for your answer. Rizwan says I had followed Roger for 2 years before realizing he's a scam. I don't know what to call it. I'm just saying I do not believe that money on his account statement on his own MetaTrader 5, let it be 4 or 5, I don't care what he says, because he's saying that you cannot modify MetaTrader 5. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Absolutely, you can. Especially if you own your server and not renting it. So I just wanted to breakout trades. Absolutely, NRT. Absolutely. Fake out trades and support resistance creation trades are working very. Yes, NRT. Absolutely, I agree with you. Absolutely. 60% profitability with those trades are definitely good. All you have to add to that is good risk management. So that's it. So that's it for Raja Banks. I don't think that the money is real on that account. He is making super huge money, but not from his trading account. All right, that's my point. And ICT is a huge respect, because I learned everything from him, and I will always give credit to ICT. Whoever asks me, I will always give the credit that ICT showed me the way. But I think he's not as a good trader as he says he is, because we did not see any proof. And let's just be honest, the numbers that he's claiming, yeah, it's a little out of the league. But you know, still, I think that he's a god in terms of mentoring and sharing knowledge. Okay, Sorry guys, I went into this topic. Let's just move into looking what's NQ is doing. Let's check NQ. NQ is dropping. So we did see this sharp drop on NQ on the 5 minute. Absolutely NRT. They learned us what we need, so they are amazing, absolutely. So they gave us the knowledge, and that's what counts. Okay, I'm checking the 60-minute chart on NQ. We have a low at 207. I want to go there. 207. It might want to go there, but that's the low with the green line, 207. Let's check the 1 minute. No entry on the 1 minute. On the right side is a 1 minute NQ chart. This is the 30-second chart on the right side. The left side is a 500 tick chart. And now we're going into a little congestion again. Now we're maybe dropping more. 207 is yesterday's low. So if we drop to 7 to around, if I can get an entry, this is my scalp trade setup. If I can get a displacement on the 30-second or on the 500 tick chart, then I would be taking a short trade, maybe. You're bullish on ES. Okay. All the way, so you're bearish. Okay, all the way down to 43.54. Okay, yeah. You see that? Okay, yeah. That's yesterday's low. So that's great because they're both dropping. ES and NQ is dropping. My entry would be based on the 500 tick chart. Oh no. Yeah. Why? Because sorry. If I get a retracement here, then I might go short on NQ. Oh my god, I was at 15 contracts. What the hell? Almost pushed the button. So if I get a retracement on the tick chart, I might go short, or if I see a displacement with a fair value gap, as long as I have 10 points to go. As long as I have 10 points to go. You're bullish. Oh, okay. I see. Sorry then. Sorry, I misunderstood. Sorry. If it goes below, yeah. I'm going to short pound NZD. I'm not looking at pound NZD. I'm just gonna concentrate for NQ right now, but maybe after that I'm gonna look at that. I don't want to change my charts because now I'm focusing on the 30-second chart on NQ. So I have to wait for my entry, if I even get an entry. I'm not sure if I will. We're at the 10-point threshold on NQ. So I'm zooming it as much as I can. On the right side is a 30-second chart. On the left side is the 500 tick chart. If I can make a 1-to-1 scalp trade to yesterday's low, I will jump in. Okay, I'm in a short. Not the perfect one, actually. Not the perfect one. Take profit is gonna be a little bit above 07. Actually, let's check the let's check. The low is 0775, so I'm gonna put it to 08. That's gonna be my take profit. It's exactly 10 points. So stop loss would be up here. That's my stop. So this is NQ. And it's going against me, of course. I wanted to see it drop down sharply to take out. And I'm going to show you. I can zoom it out a little bit. On the right side, I'm going to show you the 15-minute. And this is at 0775. Let's just put it there. 0775. So that's the low. If I check the 60-minute, we have also a small imbalance here. It can tap into that. I don't know. Hopefully. So, you know. Let's go back to the 30-second chart because that's my entry model. Introduce my NQ plan. Well, it's simple. It's very simple. My entry model is based on the 30-second chart. This is actually a second part. I mean, no, not second part. How should I say this? I'm looking for any kind of fair value gap when I'm getting in a close proximity of a significant low or a significant. I'm gonna add one more here, maybe adding one more. I'm gonna show you why. 20, 30, and that's my maximum allocation. 2 contracts. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna explain what I'm doing here. Okay. So, if I'm getting close proximity to a significant low or to a significant high or a significant imbalance in the form of a fair value gap, let it be on the 15-minute, 5-minute, maybe a 1 hour. That's my highest time frame if I'm entering on the 30-second chart. So if I'm getting close, I need on NQ at least 10 points. That's my minimum criteria for profit target, and this is a 1-to-1 risk reward trade. So it's not a 1-to-10, 1-to-5, 1-to-3. It is most likely a 1-to-1 risk reward trade. On the right side, I took an entry on this small fair value gap and I added one more because on the left side I'm using a 500 tick chart, which only reminds me that volume has been going up here to reprice this imbalance. And the target is yesterday's low. So 0775 down there is yesterday's low. We are very close, and I'm not saying 99% of the time, but at least 60% of the time I see that these lows or highs are getting taken out, especially when we are during a London or New York kill zone. Technically, we're still in the London kill zone. I see some relevation in this trade. So this setup is my 1-to-1 liquidity. I call it liquidity run setup because this should be a run for liquidity. If I go out to the 60-minute chart, this is a 60-minute Nasdaq on the right side. As you can see, yesterday low, long wick candle. This should be a nice liquidity run, at least to tap into that liquidity, especially if we have a price range like here. I'm going to show you below yesterday's low right here, and this is from maybe 2 days ago. There is a small imbalance still, which can be repriced, so that makes it even more of a juicy thing to be repriced. And this is my theory. This is my entry. I mean, this is my model here. So this trade, as I call it, is a liquidity run scalp. That's it. Otherwise, when I'm using the 2022 YouTube model, which ICT is teaching, I'm always looking for at least a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Let's go down to the 30-second chart again. And this is the 30-second chart. This is a combine account. That's a top step, by the way, if someone would be asking. So this is my plan. I'm not putting it to break even in case it spikes up and takes me out and then goes down again. I'm not touching this trade. I'm letting it play out. That's my plan. That's my plan. So we need 6 points, 5 points. That's not much for NQ to do it. That's not a big deal. But of course NQ is a beast and it can anytime just boom spike up. So if someone is scared, or if you would be scared to go in with 2 contracts, you can always take out one. So if you can close one, I'm not closing it. I'm willing to risk $400 or $500 on this trade. This is a 150k trading combine. Today I already made over 4,000 on the other trading combine, and I'm not trading my funded accounts on live here on YouTube. I'm trading it in my Discord membership and talking through each and every trade. This is a trading combine. Actually, let me check the balance here because I don't even know which is the balance here on this trade. Yeah. Hold on. Okay, so I'm trading on this combine. This morning I made 4,000 whatever on the other combine, which is now at 156k. And this is the trade right now. As you can see, open position $345 or whatever. It's not updating correctly on NinjaTrader, but this is the position we're in. We're at 152k, and that's it. If I lose it, I lose it. I move on. New York session comes. We're still in the gold trade, by the way. Just saying, we totally forgot the gold trade, guys. I'm trading gold here as well. I'm in a short. I'm in a short trade with a 1 to 2. Maybe I should put it to break even or something. I don't know. I'm short gold too, just saying. Come on. Okay. I'm so scared. I can't handle the pressure. It's too much. Oh, look at that. Now that's what I'm saying. NQ can always just spike up before that. Actually, it's not even a guarantee that it's gonna take it out. It can just consolidate and, you know, slowly climbing up and taking my stop out. It can do that. Absolutely. And it's only a 1-to-1 risk reward, so I mean, it's not even a 1-to-1. Oh man, yeah, it's not even a almost not the perfect one. Go to my blog, go to my website, sign up for my Discord membership. I'm going to spoon feed you with my trades from my live account. No, actually, I'm not a guru. I started the membership because It's hard to make a living from trading. I know, you guys know that as well. But I do want to take all my free time and energy and add it to building this community up. So I'm not going to give you the holy grail with my membership, or I can talk through every trade, every decision which I'm doing on my live accounts with my trades. I'm having my own mini course as well for 4-hour charts too. So there's nothing like a holy grail I can give you, but I can support you with your journey, and you can support me as well. Anyway, that was the commercial. Come on. Actually, I just want to go on with my day because I have some stuff to do, so I would like this one to drop. If this would be a MetaTrader, maybe I would just leave it here, but I'm not sure. I can't. If it goes to take profit, my stop loss stays there, or vice versa. So I have to close it manually. Gold is still looking good. Let's check. ES is looking all right. Almost tapping into that liquidity. Should drop. Come on, Nasdaq. We don't need too much. I'm gonna zoom it out so it would be more interesting. Man, I feel like this can be hover around like another hour, maybe. I don't know. Come on, I need 3 points. I'll be out. Okay, gold is going. Gold is going to our way. They're having a good day so far. It can change, of course. Come on, man. Let's take it out. Maybe I should close it. Oh, man. Okay, if ES is going into this liquidity below 59.50, I might consider closing the NQ manually, because we might have an SMT reversal, and I'm not sure I want to be a part of the massacre. So this is a 5-minute ES. Damn it. NQ just went back up there. We were so close. And so yeah, if it goes down there, I might consider closing the NQ manually. So the left side is an NQ 500 tick chart. The blue line is somewhat my target. The right side, we have an ES 5-minute chart. Down here is liquidity. And we're damn it, look at that. And I'm gonna be stuck here. Now I have to make a decision. Do I want to babysit this one, or I just close it as it is and wait for a New York session, because this one is going to be a pain in the butt to babysit. This one gonna go up, take out this high, and then hover around. I don't like that. I don't like what price is doing right now. Exactly. Exactly. What a dirty move from Nasdaq. ES is going into this 5-minute liquidity, maybe tapping in that. And this one is turning. Come on, man. What the hell is this music? tick chart. Actually, I can go there. $2,000. Let's check the 2,000. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah, it's clean. Left side is a 2,000 tick chart. Looks good. Looks good. The thing is that you have to wait quite a lot between the big price moves, but it's still all right. I mean, it doesn't really matter 500 or 300, whatever. But yeah, I get it. Damn it, we're gonna lose this trade. Oh, I'm so depressed. I can't even tell you. And gold is retracing. What the hell is going on, man? We were so close. And now gold is gonna F me. And NQ is gonna F me. What the? Come on, this music. This is why I'm sleepy. Copyright free music. There you go. Right? Guys, this is... I would literally just lay down and sleep. In London, yes. When I traded in New York, it's like 5 p.m. our time, and it was... Yeah, of course. New York is always moving. Is always better movement. London is like... Look at that. Look at this crazy pile of bull crap. Oh no. We go up here. Damn, we were almost at take profit. And it turned against me. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, I should be closing it down. It's 2 contracts. It's gonna take this one out. And who knows where it goes from there. Yeah. My finger is on the close button. Just to flatten this one out, because it seems like it's gonna take it out. Yeah. Of course, I've seen reversals many times before, but this one was a sharp move. I don't know, someone was talking or news came out or whatever. Damn. You know what? Doesn't really matter. It's just $100. So if it takes me out, at least I'm over it. But gold? I'm disappointed in gold. I wanted to see that go down a little bit more. The thing is that Nasdaq didn't really go into any kind of liquidity. So what the hell? So if I go to the 5-minute Nasdaq, oh no, it's gonna go up there. Damn it. It's gonna go into this. Oh, damn it. It's gonna go to over 29. Take out my stop, reprice this level. I should exit right here. Closed it. Closed it. Why? Because this is gonna go right here into this area. I think it already did almost. And it's gonna go up here and reprice this range. So I just saved myself from some trouble. But it was good. Gold is still on. See? It goes in there. Repricing it. Maybe then after this one it will go down. I don't know. We were close. We were almost at 2R. I'm sorry, not 2R. Over $400 profit on this combine. And now we're down 300. Question is what it wants to do inside this 5-minute fair value gap. Does it want to turn down and maybe go for it for a second time? Maybe it will. I don't know. I don't know. We just have to wait and see, I guess. Can you just check ES 2000 tick chart? Yeah, I can. Where is it? Futures ES. ES 2000. Wait for it. It has to load. It have to load. Yeah. Okay. It's loaded in. There you go. On the left side, ES 2000 tick chart. I don't see anything in particular. It's repricing this gap. Otherwise, I don't know. Otherwise, I'm not sure. So, I don't see anything crazy here. There was a structure break with this one, so I would be going for a short. For example, here, as you can see, on the right side, the 5-minute ES, on the left side, the 2000 tick chart for ES. If it wants to dig into this liquidity on the 5-minute, could be a good opportunity to go short. I'm not going short here. I'm waiting for NQ still. Let's check the 5-minute NQ. 5-minute NQ tapped into this upper 5-minute imbalance. Reprice this one completely. If it wants to take out yesterday's low, then we should see a structure shift on the 30-second. I'm going back to 500 ticks. So left side is a 500 tick chart for NQ. But it goes up. Look at that. But what do we have? What do we have on the 60-minute on NQ? It can easily do that. This is a 60-minute NQ chart. It can easily go up there. We are forming first leg. Wait for break of that low and then buy. That would be my strategy. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. I like to see these long wick candles, especially because we are close to the hourly candle close. I like to see these two with almost relative equal lows. Now the problem is we have equal highs up here and equal lows down here, and we are right in the middle, which means that basically we are at no man's land. No man's land, guys. Not even sure how someone can trade this. Gold is still on. I'm just thinking. Hold on. No, I'm not gonna be waiting more. This is it for me on the London session, guys. I'm gonna be trading on my Discord live on the New York session. But I did make a nice over 4K with my other account. So that was nice. And we got the first payout from that funded account from TopStep yesterday. So it's cool. But this one, this is just crazy. Anyway, guys, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, visit my blog, go to tomsabo.biz or pip.ninja, join my Discord membership. I think for this session that this is it. I'm gonna leave my gold trade on. It's still in profit. I'm looking for that to go lower and reprice this hourly imbalance. If not, then we'll see what happens. So guys, have a great day, have a great weekend, have a great week and everything. Morning, evening, you know, just, you know, watch out for yourselves. And NRT, thank you so much for being here, and everyone, Sarvesh and all the others. You know, see you guys real soon, I hope. So have a great day.